Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on desktop notifications in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so once you have logged into your Google account and then went to mail.google.com to access your Gmail, just click this settings icon right here and click see all settings. In general, you'll have to scroll down a little bit and then you can easily see the desktop notifications part here in the general settings. As you can see, I have mine currently turned off and will turn it on in a bit. But desktop notifications allows Gmail to display pop-up notifications on your desktop when new email messages arrive. So here you can see you have options. I have mine at mail notifications off, but you can choose new mail notifications on, notify me when any new message arrives in my inbox or primary tab, and important mail notifications on, where Gmail will only notify you when an important message arrives in your inbox. So let's click this. And you can also click here to enable desktop notifications for Gmail, where Google will show this icon here, and then click allow. You can also choose the mail notification sounds, like for example this one. There. So don't forget to click the save changes down below in order for you to save your changes. And there you have it. Your desktop notifications in your Gmail is currently on. We hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!